20 business ideas in Nigeria. Today, let's talk about 20 business ideas in Nigeria that can help you make money. We'll keep it simple with short stories and real-life examples. And number 18 of the business ideas is very important, and please subscribe to this channel and leave comment. 1. Mobile food vendor Amaka started selling jollof rice and chicken from a food cart near a busy bus stop. Now she makes enough to support her family. 2. Recharge card business Tunde sells recharge cards in traffic. People stop to buy daily. It's a small business, but he makes steady money. 3. Tailoring. Fashion design Chioma loves fashion. She started sewing dresses for friends. Now she owns a small shop. 4. Barbing salon Amaka opened a small barber shop with just one chair. With good service, he now has 3 workers. 5. POS Business Blessing started a POS stand in front of her house. People come to withdraw cash every day. 6. Fish farming Isaac turned his backyard into a fish pond. After 6 months, he started selling catfish to restaurants. 7. Mini importation Grace buys cheap products online from China and sells them in Nigeria. She makes a good profit. 8. Hair and beauty products Kimmy sells wigs, creams, and oils on Instagram. Her customers keep coming back. 9. Phone and laptop repairs. Musa learned how to fix phones. Now he works from a small table at the market and earns daily. 10. Bakery business Joy started baking small cakes at home. Today she supplies to shops and events. 11. Event planning Bola helped plan her cousin's wedding. People liked her work. Now she plans birthdays and weddings. 12. Fruits and smoothie stand Chinedu sells fresh fruits and smoothies near a gym. Many customers buy after workouts. 13. Used clothes, Africa. Ruth buys used clothes from the market and resells them in her area. 14. Freelancing online work. David works on Fiverr, writing for clients abroad. He earns dollars while living in Nigeria. 15. Dry cleaning Laundry Kuli offers laundry services to busy workers in his estate. He picks up and delivers clothes. 16. Snack business. Puff Puff, Chin Chin. Nosy fries, Puff Puff, every morning. She sells to school children and workers. 17. Agriculture, crop farming. Adebayo farms maize and vegetables. He sells to market women every week. 18. Photography Lekin started taking photos at birthdays and weddings. Now he owns a studio. 19. Interior decoration Tosin loved decorating rooms. She started helping friends for free. Now she decorates homes for money. 20. Delivery, courier service James bought a motorcycle. Now he delivers food and packages around town. These are 20 business ideas you can start in Nigeria. You don't need millions to begin. Just a good idea and hard work. Which one will you try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.